Well, our slogan, trade your engine or transmission, not your car, started in this very room, actually. As you can see over here, we have an old engine we pulled out, getting ready to go back to its graveyard, its final resting place. Over here on the other side of me, we have a brand new engine ready to breathe life into your vehicle. For what it could cost you as one of my customers to replace an engine or transmission with a 3-year, 100,000-mile warranty, sometimes it just doesn't make sense to go purchase a new car and jump right back into payments. So give us a chance to try to prolong the life of your vehicle for as long as possible. I hope you enjoyed this video at Bridgewater Motorworks and Transworks. Please feel free to subscribe to our YouTube channel if you guys want to see anything more. Give us a like on Facebook as well, or come in person and visit us here at Bridgewater Motorworks.